Hello, today we have this 911 996 2004, done 34,000 miles. Back in 2017 it belonged to a good friend of ours, Robert, and he was standing still at an island and somebody gently ran into the back. The insurance company wrote it off and he bought it back and had it repaired by Westway Garage, the garage that we use for our MOTs. It's the same bumper, and they straightened out the bracket behind the bumper. They left a tiny little dent in the outside of the rear boot or engine compartment wall for people to see in the future, and painted the boot lid, or in this case the bonnet cover. It is a Targa. It is Tiptronic automatic. It has 14 services. It's recently had, by a Porsche specialist, a Tiptronic gearbox fluid replaced. Black leather. Obviously they come standard with cruise control. Air conditioning works nicely. Big opening, obviously Targa roof, and the glass panel slides back over the little rear dicky seats. Alloys are in lovely condition. Excellent Pirelli tyres. Number plate P900RLH will go with the car, or it can be put back on LC04. The alloy wheels must have been refurbed at some point. All four of them are unmarked. I think in the advert there is a little photo of the car back in 2017, taken the day of the accident where somebody did run into the back of it. You can't really see in the photo, but the rear bumper was damaged, but they repaired that bumper, and to keep it original and put it back on with the original bumper bar, which was straightened. But you can actually see just below where it says Targa on the boot lid that the boot was slightly damaged, and that was repaired and painted at the same time as the bumper. Very non-structural, minimal damage. So somebody get the benefit of a very nice, very low mileage. 911 996 Carrera 2 Targa Tiptronic. Thank you.